Good morning all of you. Welcome to Amrita AS Academy. We are resuming our program Learn CSAT through PYQs with another topic, that is position and setting arrangement. So far we have done previous year questions from any topic starting from number system till direction. So if you haven't missed any of the videos, do watch that video so that you will be able to know the trend of UPSC CSAT previous year papers. So we are straight away moving to the questions from the topic position and arrangement. We are dealing with a question from the asked in the year 2014. Clear? So this is a question. It's an interesting question. There are 7 persons upon a ladder A, B, C, D, E, F and G, not in that order. A is further up than E, but it is lower than C. B is in the middle. G is between A and B. E is between B and F. If F is between E and D, then the person on the bottom step of the ladder will be. Okay, fine. So there are total 7 persons, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are total 7 persons. It says B is in the middle. So B is in the middle. So this is a position of B. Clear? Okay. Then it says G is between A and B. G is between A and B. So A can be here. If A is here, then G will be here. If A is here, G will be here. Clear? Okay. If A is this position, so between A and B, G is here. If A is this position, between A and B, G will be here. Clear? Okay. Then the next possibility, E is between B and F. E is between B and F. So F can be here. If F is here, then E will be in between B and F. F can also be here. If F is here, then E will be between B and F. But there is another condition. A is further up than E, but is lower than C. See, it says A is above E, which means that A should come here. A should not come here. If A is here, then E will be above A. So the correct position of A will be this and not this. So the remaining can be ruled out. Okay. So, okay, fine. So A is here, then B is here, mean between A and B, G is here. Clear? Okay. The next is E is between B and F. E is between B and F. Then F will definitely come here. F will not come here, which is all because the position is already occupied by A. Then between B and F, what will come? E will come. Now look, A is above C. A is further up than A is further up than E. That's correct. But it is lower than C. A is A is lower than C. Then C will be at the top. See now A, B, C, D is missing. So D will definitely come at the bottom. Read here. If F is between E and D. If F is between E and D. Yes, F is between E and D. So the question is the person on the bottom step of the ladder will be. The answer for this question is option D, because D is at the bottom of the ladder. Clear? Understand? So by taking different possibility and checking that possibility with the statement, we will be able to reach the conclusion. Clear? So the answer for this question is D, that is option C is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, moving to next question. Consider that A is taller than B, C is taller than A, D is taller than C, E is the tallest of all. If they are made to sit in the above order of their height, who will occupy the mid position? Simple question. See, it says A is taller than B. This is A. A is taller than B. Then C is taller than A. So C is taller than A. D is taller than C. D is taller than C. E is tallest of all. Okay. Then E is tallest of all. If they are made to sit in the above order of their height, who will occupy the mid position? So actually the arrangement is in a correct order, in the increasing order of their height, where B is the shortest one and E is the tallest one. Clear? So the mid position is occupied by the person C, who is the person having mean height or medium height comparing the other 4 persons. Clear? So the answer for this question is C, that is option C is the correct answer. Clear? Okay. Next question. In a row, A is in the 11th position from the left and B is in the 10th position from the right. If A and B interchange, then A becomes 18th from the left. How many persons are there in the row other than A and B? Okay. This is a row. A is in the 11th position. A is in the 11th position. A is in the 11th position from the left. Okay, fine. B is in the 10th position from the right. B is in the 10th position. 10th position from the right. Okay, this is B. Clear? Okay. You may find a doubt that is B is left to A or is right to A. Right to A. Clear? See, by looking into the options, all the options are above 24, equal or greater than 24, 25, 26, 25, 24, 25, 26 and 27. See, A is 11th from the left and B is 18th from the right. Sorry, 10th from the right. So if they add together, total there will be 21 members. But the question, the minimum number of persons possible in this row is 24. So definitely B will not be left to the left of A. It will be definitely to the right of A. Clear? Okay, fine. So then the question says, if A and B interchange, then A becomes 18. If their positions interchange, then A becomes 18th from the left. 18th from the left. Which means that the current position of B is 18th from the left. 18th from the left. Clear? Okay. 18th from the left and 10th from the right. So which means that here 9 members are to the right of B. Including B, B is at the 18th from the left. So including him, there are 18 members. But to the right of him, there is 9 members. So total 18 plus 9, that is 27. So total there are 27 members are there. But the question is, how many persons are there in the row other than A and B? So excluding A and B, which means subtracting 2, there will be a total 25 members in the row. Simple idea. So the answer for this question is option C, 25. Simple question. Okay, moving to the next question. 5 people A, B, C, D and E are seated about a round table. Every chair spaced equidistant from the adjacent chairs. Okay. So this is a round table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is seated next to A. Okay. I am taking this as A. Then C is seated next to A. Next to A means C can be here, C can be here. There is another possibility. Okay. C is next to A. A is seated 2 seats from D. A is seated 2 seats from D. So D can be here. If you move this direction, then 2 seats, D can also occupy this position if you move this direction. If you move this direction, 1, 2, okay, 2 positions here. If you move this direction, 1, 2, the next is D, possible. A is seated 2 seats from D. B is not seated next to A. B is not seated next to A. Okay. So B cannot sit here, cannot sit here also. So B can sit either here or here. Clear? Okay, fine. On the basis of above information, which of the following must be true? Which of the following must be true? Okay, fine. Let's take. D is seated next to B. D is seated next to B. See, understand. D can occupy here or here. B can occupy here or here. In what means, in whatever case, D and B will be close, will be neighbors. If D is here and B is here, they are neighbors. If D is here and B is here, they are also neighbors. So first statement is definitely true. D is seated next to B, it's correct. Now look at the second statement. See, if first statement is correct, then we are rolled out the option C and D, because none of the statement contain option statement 1. So we are left with option A and B. A is 1 only, B 1 and 2 only. Let's check we have whether statement 2 is correct. E is seated next to A. See, if D is here or B is here, then D or B will be here. Clear? Okay. So these two positions are occupied by D and B. This position is occupied by A. So now we are left with C and E. If C is here, then E will be here. If C is here, then E will be here. Or if C is here, E will be here. In whatever the case, A and E can be neighbors. E is seated next to E. Yes, that's correct. That can be a definitely possible case. So statement 2 is also correct. So statement 1 and 2 are correct. We need not check the last statement. However, let's check the last statement. D and C are separated by 2 seats. D and C are separated by 2 seats. If D is here and C is here, they are not separated by 2 seats. So it cannot be said as definitely true. So this statement cannot be said as always true or must be true. So third statement is incorrect. The answer is option B, 1 and 2 only. Okay, moving to next question. In a class of 60 students, where the number of girls is twice that of boys. Okay. Let the number of boys be X. Then the number of girls will be twice that of the number of boys, that is 2x. So x plus 2x, total number of students are 60, that is 3x is equal to 60, x is equal to 60 by 3, that is 20. X means the number of boys is 20, then the number of girls will be 20 times 2, that is 40. So the number of girls is 20, number of boys is 40. Sorry, number of boys is 20, number of girls is 40. Okay, clear? Okay. Kamal, a boy ranked 17th from the top. Okay. This is the 17th position and it is occupied by Kamal. He's a boy. It's a boy. He's 17th from the top, which means that above him there are 16 students. If there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal, okay, there are total 16 students. Out of the 16 students, there are 8 girls. So how many boys will be there? There will be 7 boys, because above him there are 16 students. Out of the 16 students, 9 are girls. So the remaining 7 will be definitely boys. Okay, so there are 7 boys above Kamal. Clear? If there are 7 girls ahead of Kamal, the number of boys in the rank after him, the number of boys. How many boys are there? 20. Total there are 20 boys are there. Okay, so out of the 20 boys, 1 is Kamal and there are 7 other boys. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 20 minus 8 is it's 12. So the question is how the number of boys in rank after him. So he is a boy, counted as 1. Above him there are 7 boys. 7 plus 1 is 8. Total there are 20 boys. 20 minus 8 is 12. The answer for this question is option B, 12. Simple question. Okay. Moving to next question. Consider the following. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are standing in a row facing north. Okay. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 members are there. 8 members are there. Okay, fine. The first one facing towards north. So they are moving facing towards north. B is not neighbor of G. F is to the immediate right of G and the neighbor of E. G is not at the extreme end. A is 60 to the left of E. H is 60 to the right of C. Let me take the last 2 statements. A is 60 to the left of E. H is 60 to the right of C. Why I have taken the last 2 statements at the first instance itself? Because there is a possibility A is 6 to the left of E, which means that 6 to the left of E means there are limited possibility of such arrangements, so that I have taken this at first. You will understand why I have taken this at the first. See, A is 6 to the left of E. If I am taking E here, if I am taking E here, then A will be 60 to the left of E, which means that first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So A will be here. There is another possibility that E can be here. If E is here, then A will be here. There is no other possibility that which satisfies this statement, so that I have taken this statement at the first instance. Clear? Okay, so this is a first possibility. This is a possibility 1, this is a possibility number 2. Okay, the next one. H is 6 to the right of C. H is 6 to the right of C. See, if this is C, then 6 to the right means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H will be definitely come here. If C is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H will definitely come here. This is the two only possibilities. Clear? Now you got that why I have taken this two statement at the first instance. Clear? Okay, fine. So this is one possibility. This is two possibility which satisfy these two statements. Now, B is not a neighbor of G. Okay, that's not in the picture. G is not at the extreme end. Okay, fine. Let's take this. F is to the immediate right of G and a neighbor of E. Which, see, F is the neighbor of E. The neighbor of E is current in this first possibility is H. There is no other neighbors. But in this case, F can be a neighbor of E. In this case, F can be a neighbor of E, which means that this first possibility is not possible. So I am ruling out this first possibility. Now I am strictly stick to this the second possibility. F is the neighbor of E. Is possible? Okay, fine. F is to the immediate right of G. So F is here, immediate right of G. They are looking in the northern direction. So the right of G will be F. So this statement is satisfied. G is not at the extreme end. Okay, this is also satisfied. So this is taken, this is taken, this is taken, this is also taken. B is not a neighbor of G. So now we are left with these two positions. B is not a neighbor of G. So B will not come here, B will come here. So A, B, C, D will be here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All the positions are occupied. Now the question is, which one of the following is correct in respect of the above? Okay. C is to the immediate left of A. C is the immediate left of A. No, it is the immediate right of A. D is immediate neighbor of B and F. D is immediate neighbor of B and F. No, it is not correct. G is to the immediate right of D. G is the immediate right. G is the immediate right of D. Yes, that is correct. A and E are at the extreme ends. No, A is at the extreme end, but E is not at the extreme end. So it is also not correct. So the only correct option is option C. Clear? So option C is the correct answer for this question. Next, in a class of 45 students, a boy is ranked 20th. So there are total 45 students. A boy is ranked 20. Which means that above him there are 19 students. Total there are 45 students. When two boys joined, so total there are 47 students now. His rank was dropped by 1. Now his rank is 21. Now his rank is 21. Which means that above him there are now 20 students. Including him there are 21 students. So below him there are 26 students. Clear? Okay, there are 26 students. What is his new rank from the end? From the end, what is his new rank? Okay, below him there are 26 students. So here there are 26 students. So he will be the 27th students. So below him there are 26 students. So he will be 27th position. So below him he is having a rank of 27. Clear? Simple question. Okay, moving to next question. A is 16th from the left end in a row of boys and B is 18th from the right end. G is 11th from A towards the right and 3rd from B towards the right end. How many boys are there in the row? Okay, fine. Let me draw the row first. A is 16th from the left end. 16th. So A is 16th from the left end. V is 18th from the right end. Here also you may have a doubt that whether V is to the left of A or right of A. If such a doubt arises, then just look into the options. The question is how many boys are there in the row. So total the row contain at least 40 boys or it cannot be obtained. Okay. So by using the given numbers, the minimum possible number is 40. Here there are 16, A is at this 16th from the left and V is 18th from the right. So together there is 18 plus 18, 6 is 24, 34 members. So in between A and V there will be definitely some numbers. So that the total number of members is at least 40 or higher. So which means that V is not to the left of A. It is definitely to the right of A. Clear? Okay. A is 16th from the left end in a row of boys and V is 18th from the right end. G is 11th from A towards the right end. See, G is 11th from A towards the right. Okay. And the 3rd from V towards the right end. Okay, 3rd from 1, 2, 3. So this is a position of what? G. This is a position of G. And G is what? 11th from A towards the right. 11th from A towards the right. Okay, fine. So 11th from A towards the right means in between A and B, or excluding G there will be 10 members. Excluding G there will be 10 members. Clear? Okay. So actually the question is how many boys are there in the row. We have to find the number of boys in between A and B. We know that including A there are 16 members here, including B there are 18 members are here. So we have to find the number of boys in between A and B. Number of boys in between A and B. See, to the right of A there are 10 members excluding G till here, which means that there are total 10 members to the right of A. This include this person and this person. So there are 3 persons are here. So total 10 persons to the right of A till here, and excluding these 3 persons there will be 7 persons in between A and B. I hope you got the idea. What I am said is A is at the 16th position, B is 18th from the right and A is 16th from the left. Okay, fine. Now they say G is 3rd to the right of V. 1, 2, 3, 3rd to the right of V. And G is 11th to the right of A. Clear? Okay. So there are 10 members to the right of A including G. Clear? Including G there are 11 members. So we have to find the number of boys in between A and V, so that there are 11 members to the right of V right of A including G. So G, this person, that is V. Together there are 4 members are there. So total 11 members, 11 minus this 4, that is 7 members. So there will be 7 members in between A and V. Now listen. A is 16th from the left. To the right of A and excluding V, there are how many members? 7 members are there. Including V to the right, there are 18 members. So 18 plus 16 is 34. 34 plus 7 is 41. So total there are 41 members are there in the row. So the answer for this question is option B, 41. Okay. That's the end of the session. Position and seating arrangement. All the questions can be solved without following any kind of shortcut or simple method. You have to understand the basics of the topic and practice as many as questions possible. So do practice more questions. We will be back with another topic within few days. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.
Amrita IAS Academy.